Shaylin, let her in. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie, and if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. So today I am going to be doing my February Boxycharm unboxing. Now I have had these items for probably about a week now, I guess. For some reason, my Boxycharm did not come up until about the 27th, about the 24th, 25th, I think. Yeah, it came really late this month. I'm not sure why. But I am going to go ahead and do the unboxing. I've already been using the products. I've actually got some of them on my face right now. I had to do my makeup before I filmed this video because I'd just done a review, kind of like a first impression of the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation. If you see me looking over here, it's because I'm making sure I'm recording. The way that I record is kind of weird, and I'm just making sure it is still doing its thing over here and everything looks good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the videos. So my Boxycharm that I've got is the base box. So I pay $25 a month for my box. I don't know if I'll be going to the premium or the Boxylux anymore because some of those items wasn't really interesting to me. I really like the base because I feel like I still get a really good mix of products, I guess. I was really happy with this month's box. I didn't think I'd be getting a good box based on how late I got it in the month. So I'll go ahead and show you what I got. And for some reason, I don't know why they sent this big of a box to me, but this is my box. This is a size of like the Boxylux or like the premium. It is bigger than my head. I mean, it's way bigger than my head. So this is the box I got. I did not get a card this month, which is odd. I think they've done it maybe one time to where I didn't get a card. So I had to go on their website and kind of figure out what was worth what, which, you know, ain't no big deal to me. But let me go ahead and bring up Boxycharm. I probably should have had that done already. Okay. Alright, so for this month's products, I did receive, and I used this in my foundation review. I don't know which video go up. If this one is up before the other one, I don't know. This might go up after my review. If it does, I'll link it. But I did get the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. This is the outside packaging, which is absolutely gorgeous. This is the packaging on the product itself. So I really do like this powder. This is probably like one of the best mattifying powders I've ever used. The foundation that I use, like I said, it's the hydrating one or the dewy one. My face feels really good. It's not very dry. It's not dewy, which I'm more of I always have to set my foundation because I don't like the idea of it trying to transfer anything. So but again, and it does smell a little bit like coconut. I would open it, but it makes a mess. At least I make a mess when I try to use it, so I don't really open it unless I absolutely have to. So let me go ahead and pull up. Like I said, I don't have a card, so I don't know what the claims or nothing is. Not really. I'm just having to scroll literally on the Boxycharm website. So this is $22, and quite honestly, I think I would pay $22 for this if it keeps working. So the description says, lock in your makeup for long-lasting wear with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Delicately coconut fragrance to take you back to your beach vacay every day. This finely milled and lightweight loose powder smooths over makeup for a crease-free, soft-focused finish with no flashback. Again, like I said, it was $22. I really, really like this. And as long as it keeps, you know, it don't do any flashbacks or anything, I will probably buy it after I get done using it. So that was really exciting to get. Then the next product I got, I wasn't even expecting this because I didn't really see it in any like previews, but I hadn't really been watching any of the sneak peeks or nothing. So this is the iconic London Slay All Day or Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Says you can create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day to night looks. So I did use this on my eye look today, and as you can see, it's a really beautiful, kind of like a soft glam look. I really do like it. I mean, it's a big eyeshadow palette, like, you know, it's kind of like this comparison. And it does come with a really nice size mirror, but I'm not going to show that to you because I don't want to blind you. So here are the shades. Okay, so as you can see, these shades are really, really gorgeous. I'm just trying to make sure you can see them. This is more of my palette because it is more of a neutral palette. I did use the Taupe de Taupe as like the crease color. I used Deep So to kind of deepen the outer V. Then I used Girl Boss right down here, like this beautiful color. Oh, sorry, right there on the lid, and I really fell in love with the eye look I came up with. Excited to use this some more. Now this was, I think, expensive. You see how much this was. This was $62. I don't know if I would pay $62 for an eyeshadow palette like this. I think you can get these same colors a lot cheaper in other palettes, like Wet n Wild or Elf, something like that, more affordable, I guess you could say. It says you, okay, so I've already kind of read the description, but yeah, it says it's $62. I don't know if I would pay that for it again, but if it's a really good palette, I might would. Something else that I got that I've not used yet is the face brushes. It's like the Complexion Trio, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it says this is the Complexion Trio from Alamar Cosmetics. This is $36. Says this vegan and cruelty-free 3-piece brush set comes complete with a complexion brush, bronzer brush, and brightening brush suitable for all skin types, delivering a flawless finish. So I've opened them. I felt of them. They're really soft. I do have other Alamar Cosmetic brushes that we got from Boxycharm. Now, where I didn't have the card, it was kind of hard for me to figure out who that is from until I looked at it, like like somebody with common sense, I guess. But it does have Alamar right there, and then on the other side, it's kind of tiny, but it does have like complexion brush. These are some of the softest brushes I've used, and I will be using them in a future video. But you do get that, and then these other brushes as well. This is the brightening brush, and this is the complexion brush. No, I don't know. This is the other brush. The bronzer brush. Okay. So I'm really excited though to be using these. The thing about the bronzer brush that kind of tickled me is the way that it was made, because it has like little indents, like kind of like right there, you can see. So I'm really excited to use that. I don't know what that's supposed to do. I'll go to Alamar, their website, to see if they've got any information. So there's that. And then these next two products I wasn't really excited about. Those three, I wasn't really excited about this box until I actually got it and started really looking into it. Because the first two items I seen were more like the facial radiance pads and these EVO Skin Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. I seen these and I was like, no, 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 no. So this is the facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty, and you wipe the pad across your face, neck, and like your boobage area. I can't pronounce that word. Once or twice daily after cleansing. So I've not really opened it, so I don't know what they look like, and I'm not going to open it because I don't know if this is something that I will be keeping. But this is the packaging. It's really, really cute. So these retail for $17. Let's see if there's anything else. It just says that you can, it's a daily treatment pad that contains the right amount of lactic and glycolic acids to safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten all skin tones. Regular use of these pads will smooth the skin's texture, providing the perfect canvas for flawless makeup application. So I'm going to try them, and I'll see. I don't know if they're going to be like life-changing or not. Hopefully they don't break me out. I don't really have sensitive skin, but I don't like taking chances if I don't have to. The last thing that I got in my box, my box, is these EVO Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. This is what it looks like. So, just like a regular package. These retail for $9.50. Now, this says these biodegradable, oh my gosh, these biodegradable multitasking EVO Skin and Aurora wipes are made with hemp fibers to cleanse skin, remove waterproof makeup, and keep skin hydrated. These antibacterial wipes are infused with cannabis sativa seed oil to reduce inflammation and avoid irritation. I don't know. I've not even opened them. I don't know if it's something I'm going to enjoy or not. But again, that does retail for $9.50. So that's what I got in my Boxycharm this month. The eyeshadow palette, the brushes, and the setting powder really made up for me getting it so late. I didn't think that I would, get really good items like that. And I don't think that I'm going to go to Premium or Boxylux. Boxylux probably not, because that's like $50 every 3 months. I do already have enough makeup. I'm actually doing a declutter right now, trying to get rid of some of my makeup. So the products that I get from Boxycharm, unless it's to buy like foundation or stuff that I absolutely need, will probably be really my only source of makeup for right now, for the next several months that I can see. I wish that I had gotten a card so I could tell you, a little bit more about it, besides going from what Boxycharm, the website, and the back of the packaging says. I don't know why I didn't get a card. I don't know why the friggin' box was as big as it is. The eyeshadow palette, yeah, I can see, it's kind of big. This is just the outer case of it. But I don't really think that it should have been that big. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. But that's what I received this month. Really excited, really happy about the products. I'm just making sure I was still recording. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of my future videos. And I'm going to try to start posting more often than what I had been. It's been a while since I've posted, but things have happened, and I'll kind of go into that in a later video. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you in my next one. Bye.